got some bad news and some good news, kind of. So the eye in the sky just told me that basically the way these things go is that if lightning strikes within 5 miles of here, we gotta stop until lightning doesn't strike for how long? 30 minutes? 20 minutes? 30 minutes. So lightning just struck, so they're gonna let me finish this song. And then we're gonna take a little break. And so this song is about the pure terror of not knowing what happens next in life, okay? This could be our last moment together tonight. And it could not be, you never know, man, you never know, brother. But as is life, so. And if it is, I want to let you know this has been an absolute blast. Thanks for hanging out with us. And if I come back in 20 minutes, I still mean that, but let's keep partying. So. This is a song called Tomorrow, which is, I thought was a love song, but was a song about me being terrified of what comes next in life. Also known as lightning within 5 miles. I'm tired of losing. I used to win every night of the week. Yeah, back when sex and amphetamines were the staples of our childhood physique. You used to tell me we'd turn into something. You said life was much better than this. But the closest I come to perfection's when you turn around to steal a kiss. Yeah, but you never trusted tomorrow. Said any way to live your life. You love this bar and this extreme girl. They've been out of tune for some time. Only so many women love driving me wild. 'Cause I get lost in complexion, the structure of a well-placed smile. But baby, you never smile. Sometimes it looks a lot better that way. Ooh, a lot better that way. Tomorrow, ooh, that's just a problem of mine. 'Cause I've been thrown around by some bad ones, girl, and a good one was a new thing this time. Yeah, but you showed me that I couldn't be farther from the truth of the problem at hand. I could never say, baby, tomorrow I'll be right there, I swear. Yeah, I'll be your man. Yeah, I'll try as best as I can. So whatever happens next, we'll get through it. Maybe I'll see you in a second. Maybe I won't. I love you a lot, Waco.